Hello, everyone. Our company is Hit System, and we are a tech startup focused on concussion detection and prevention. The problem we are trying to solve is concussion detection and player safety in football. Fellow Hit System co-founder Jancher Hundle and I have both played university football and have collectively experienced numerous concussions. After talking to teammates on the Dinos football team, concussions are usually diagnosed when it is too late, causing players to unknowingly play through them. Research has shown this will cause negative brain effects for us in the future. Hit System aims to solve this issue by developing a product that can be used for early concussion detection and safer return-to-play protocol.
Our unique solution is made up of two non-exclusive features. Firstly, we'll be introducing an accelerometer chip that will be attached to the inside of the helmet. We have repurposed these existing technologies in an exciting new way. As shown in the video, the chip is far smaller than the helmet, which makes the process of installing the chip easy and practical. The second part of our solution is where most of our development will be focused and where we differentiate from our competitors. With an inflow of sensor data, we'll be able to monitor and provide feedback and highly detailed reports to the medical staff and coaching staff. Our company will focus on data collection and interpretation. However, there will be an app available that provides real-time concussion detection.
Although there are already existing alternatives for concussion sensors, Hit System is well positioned to penetrate the market with our low-cost sensor of $20 that is both accurate and gives reliable information. Riddell is our closest competitor but sells for a premium price of $3,600, which is a price most football teams can't afford. Shockbox fails to deliver on all of these features.
The early adopters for our solution, the HIT system, are youth football coaches in Calgary who are the buyers. They represent teams that are financially constrained compared to the professional ranks and are often volunteers as well. They care for the young athletes and are serious about their achievements, not only in football, but their academics just as equally. As a user of our business model, we are going to target youth players and the organizations they play under, like the Calgary Spring Football Association, who will mandate our product for the teams and their organization. Both Dan and Jancher have personal connections with coaches of the club who have expressed interest in the HIT system, which will aid and support their athletes' mental and physical health. They like the idea and are pleased to incorporate the chip into the athletes' helmets. For young aspiring athletes, it is vital to stay in their most conditioned physical and mental health. This is compromised when athletes continue to play with concussion and suffer severe consequences further down in their lives.
We have decided to bootstrap most of our business costs. Some of the main costs associated would be research and development as well as software development. Through our vast personal connections with top researchers, we are able to outsource costs associated with R&D. 4i will be our independent contractor for hardware development and potentially looking at a licensing partnership. Data monitoring of the software will be done in-house so that this cost isn't recurring. We have a two-tiered revenue model. Fixed revenue comes from sales of the accelerometer, which sell for $20 a unit individually, with bulk purchases offered as an incentive to reduce this further for some teams. A seasonal subscription software to monitor hits will also be a revenue generator. Subscriptions are based off of team size, with large teams starting at $200 a season and lowering from there. Grassroots options are also available for beta testing, where products and services are provided at no cost to gain buy-in. Our ask is for $500,000. This would cover all startup costs as well as provide a $300,000 cash buffer to cover 1 year of expenses due to unforeseen circumstances that might inhibit our ability to generate revenue.
Our key metrics are from feedback from players and our data on the number of players returning to play safely. Secondly, responses on the number of concussions detected earlier from our sensors data, and as well how satisfied teams and players using our products are, and if they want to continue subscriptions. By successfully marketing our product to football clubs, we will then expand into sports without helmets by further evolving and establishing our solution. Through new design, we will look to implement the accelerometer behind the ear with adhesive, eventually working our way into collegiate and professional sports.